Hey everyone, welcome back to the MR2 Squared Project. This is Dave with DD Performance Research, and you are staring at Marwan's car. A lot of changes since the last video. I think the last video we'd just gotten it back from paint, and so it's basically the bare chassis with a really nice paint job on it from Imperial Collision. As you can see, we have fitted a body kit on there. So this is the Luxury Part GT300 replica kit. It's based on the original Monocraft kit that was used for the GT300 cars that ran in JGTC back in the day. Really nice kit for putting a a nice wide wheel and tire package on the car without really. I feel like it captures the original spirit of the car, right? It's not like trying to change it into something else. It's just kind of optimizing what it already is and making it a little bit more aggressive. So really cool kit. We'll be working with that quite a bit in the coming weeks as we adapt for things like rear diffusers and such. But right now I'm just going to do a quick walk around video so you can see the car. And we'll post some other videos to talk about various aspects of it. But you can see we've got nice wide fender flares there, lots of room for wheels and tires. It's got some cool little aesthetic skirts on the side. They don't currently have any kind of an underbody tied into them or anything like that. We might add one in the future. Lots of changes on the inside that we'll be talking about as well. Changes in the bay. Get around the rear here so you can see how that is. Now this kit has basically just been heated up to actually bolt onto the car, and that's it. We haven't done any work with it aside from that, with the exception of the front air inlet. We have already started cutting and working with that to allow the fitment of some heat parts, but we'll talk about that in a separate video. See ya. So looking forward to moving this project forward. It looks awesome. It's really nice aggressive lines that are going to be created by this kit, and should let us put a ton of rubber under the back of the car, which is going to be necessary for getting all that torque from the big turbo V6 to the ground. All right. Well, welcome back, and look forward to some other videos. I'm going to be posting a series of videos today or tomorrow covering a couple other aspects of the car. Thanks for joining us, and look forward to some more content on the MR2 Squared project very soon.